everyone, welcome back to the channel Pallabi Tutorials. Today I'm going to share with you guys an amazing recipe for dark circle. You need all the natural ingredients, सब आपको घर पे ही मिल जाएगा. So let's get started with today's video guys. For this DIY you will need green tea bag, but if you don't have green tea, don't worry, use your normal tea. Just soak your tea in 2 to 3 tablespoons of hot water and then take the tea leaves. This is 1 tablespoon of tea leaf. I'm going to store this, but if you don't want to store this, use 1 teaspoon tea leaf. Then add 1 teaspoon of curd or dahi. Then use 1 teaspoon of coffee. Coffee is very effective ingredient to reduce your dark circles if you don't know guys. Then add tomato puree, and you need 1 teaspoon of tomato puree. Don't use tomato juice only, use tomato puree, and 1 teaspoon of potato juice. And that's it. You have to mix it really well until it becomes very smooth. This DIY is very effective guys. All the ingredients are bomb.com for any dark spots and especially for dark circles. You can use this over your eyelid as well, which is amazing. All the ingredients have their own benefits and healing properties. It reduces stress as well. If you have puffy eyes, this will help you guys a lot. You have to use this 2 to 3 times in a week. Do not use more than that. ज़्यादा use करने से काम जल्दी नहीं होगा. Eye areas are very sensitive areas, so do not use this more than 3 times in a week. If you want to see a drastic change, use this up to 2 months and you will come back and thank me. So after this I'm going to take out in a glass katori, and the best part about this DIY pack is this is a great sun tan removal pack as well. Always use a glass jar or glass katori to store this in refrigerator. Do not use any plastic bottle to store this. Now it's time for the application. So as you guys can see, I get some really terrible dark circles. This dark circle is not only for the lack of sleep and stress. This is because of suntan as well. And I also have not used this dark circle remedy just because I want to show you guys how it works and everything. This is very liquidy in texture. I use this with my fingers and I massage this onto my dark circles. I go very gently. I apply this with my middle finger and I give my eye massage with my ring finger only. You have to massage this up to 8 to 10 minutes. Under eye skin is very sensitive, so go very gently guys, but yeah, you have to massage it for good 8 to 10 minutes. Also the best thing is you can use this over your eyelid as well. Guys, I want to tell you something about dark circle. Dark circle is a common problem we all face, but remember that sometimes we get dark circles as heredity. If your parents or your grandparents have dark circle problem, you can also get dark circle problem from them. So be patient with it guys, because if you get dark circle because of heredity, it will very hard to remove. Like I got my dark circle problem from my parents, so it's very hard for me to remove it. And also I have burn patches all over my face, so it's really difficult for me to deal with it. But definitely you can remove it by following a good skincare routine, and if you use certain home remedies are absolutely great for this kind of problems. I believe use all natural product and you will definitely get rid of it. It's just matter of time, so you have to give this some time to heal. So don't lose hope guys. If you have very serious dark circle problem, drink lot of water, make sure you hydrate your skin, also apply sunscreen lotion whenever you go out. If you maintain all of these things, you can definitely get rid of this dark circle problem. problem. This is all I want to tell you guys. If you got some sun tan or sunburn on your face, you can definitely apply this pack onto those areas as well. It will not vanish your dark circle in one go, but definitely it will work. I have not used this since 2 weeks now, just to show you guys the before and after thing, so you can see an instant result. But if you have a serious dark circle problem, give it some time and it will work. And after 8 to 10 minutes you have to wash it off with normal water. And here you can see guys the drastic change. I was extremely shocked actually. I was not expecting this much drastic change, but yeah, it works really amazing. It removes my suntan and my dark circle. It's very effective guys. Then I'm going to take one ice cube and just apply this around my eyes. This step is optional, but I always do this step guys, so I'm showing you. And yeah, it's almost done. And remember, it will not vanish your dark circle in one go. Just give it some time to work on your face. Use this 2 to 3 times in a week. You can store this in refrigerator up to 3 days. So do let me know your feedbacks in the comment section, and do check all my DIY recipes. If you like this video, please share this video as much as you can, because 95% of women face dark circle problem. So do share this with your friends and family and help them as well. Subscribe to my channel because we are going every day right now. It will mean a lot. So yeah guys, I'll see you in my next one, which is tomorrow. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, and always love yourself. Don't forget that you are beautiful and be a kind one. I love you guys so much. Bye guys.